If you are writing WAEC, JAMB or NECO this year, these algebra mistakes can cost you easy marks, even if you know the topic. Let me show you how to avoid it. Mistake number 1, wrong expansion of bracket. Let's say, for example, we're given open bracket a plus b raised to power 2. Most students usually forget the middle number. So when they want to expand this kind of expression, they square the a term and also square the b term. So they will have a squared plus b squared. This is wrong. Rather, if you want to expand this, you square the first term, which is a squared. Then you multiply the two terms together, a times plus b, will give us ab. Then you double it. So that will be plus 2ab. Then you square the last term, which is b. So that will be plus b squared. Mistake number 2, wrong cancellation in fraction. Let's say we have x plus 2 divided by x. What most students usually do is that they cancel terms in the numerator and denominator and say x divided by x is 1. So they will have 1 plus 2 equals to 3. This is wrong. We don't do mathematics this way. Rather, you factorize the numerator and also factorize the denominator and see if they have a common term that can divide. Way to also handle this is for you to distribute the denominator over each term in the numerator. So we are going to have x divided by x plus 2 divided by x. So this is correct, while this is wrong. Mistake 3, squaring errors. Most students usually interpret minus 3 squared as minus 3 times minus 3, and this will give us plus 9. This is wrong. This is wrong. Rather, if you are to interpret this question, take note that this power 2 is only for 3, not for the negative sign. So you interpret this as minus 3 times 3. Then you close the bracket. So this will give us minus 9. The only time we are going to have plus 9 is when the number is written this way as minus 3 or square. So in this, the square is working for both 3 and the negative sign. So you are going to interpret this as minus 3 times minus 3, and this will give us plus 9. So this is wrong here. Rather, this one is correct, and this is also correct. Mistake number 4, wrong square root rule. Let's say we have square root of a plus or minus b. Most students usually split the square root over addition and subtraction as square root of a plus or minus square root of b. This is wrong. We don't solve math this way. Rather, for you to handle this kind of situation, is that you add what is inside the square root, or you subtract what is inside the square root, then you take the square root. So let's say, for instance, we have square root of 9 plus 16. To handle this kind of question, you add what is inside the square root together. So 9 plus 16 will give us 25. Then you take the square root of 25, and square root of 25 will give us plus or minus 5. Avoid these algebra mistakes and your mathematics score will improve instantly. Thanks for watching. Like this video, share it with a friend, writing WAEC, JAMB or NECO, and subscribe for more math help. Bye.